this little job here. I can say, give me the status, and it'll spit out the status of any job or how many jobs that are running. And the tech stack that's used is we have a VPS, which has Python, OpenAI Whisper. We have some Bash scripts running as well. We're using Node.js on a MacBook Mini. We're using some Python libraries such as YT, which is YouTube download, FFmpeg to read the video files, convert audio, things like that. And then obviously we have Superbase in the cloud, which is our database, which is a Postgres SQL, and we also store in database buckets the MP3 files, the audio files that Whisper uses to transcribe. Now, why this architecture? Well, because, as I've mentioned down here, this architecture is necessary because YouTube is blocking data center IP addresses that try and scrape YouTube data. And I don't have to pay for any external services, and I can use my own pipeline. Okay, I run the vibecodingacademy.club website and a private community that I also host on that website as well. And what I'm going to do is I want to make this available, this pipeline available to my community and anyone that's watching my videos on YouTube. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an API that anybody can call and basically take advantage of this entire infrastructure, right? And all the user has to do is register, grab an API key, and then send a URL to the system, okay? And then the system will run that URL through the infrastructure, this pipeline, and send you back a transcript. And I might grow on that later. For example, I may, from the transcript, give you back a thumbnail. It might be something that you want to do, or a blog post, or some changes to the title, or some keywords or hashtags. So there's a lot of scope that I might include over time. So you're going to watch me with this live build, and we're going to go through, and we are going to create a public API, a registration page where the user has to register, put in their email address and their name, and a page to create their own API key, and then be able to use the API that I create with the API key to then put any YouTube video through the system and get back a transcript. So that's going to be the process. So we're going to start coding now, and we're going to start that in the next video. So grab a coffee, grab your notebook to take some notes, and I look forward to talking with you in the next video.